Charles Schwab Intelligent Portfolio's premium Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Schwab's Intelligent Portfolios Premium is an automated investment service designed for hands-off investors who want a balance between algorithm-driven portfolio management and human financial planning. Unlike Schwab's free-tier Robo-advisor, this premium version offers unlimited access to certified financial planners, CFPs, for a $300 one-time setup fee plus a $30 monthly subscription. It builds a diversified portfolio using low-cost ETFs across 20 asset classes, automatically rebalancing and tax loss harvesting when needed. This service is ideal for investors who want a sophisticated, goal-based strategy without managing investments themselves. However, it's best suited for those with larger portfolios, since the flat fee structure becomes more cost-efficient as assets grow. If you're investing smaller amounts, that $30 monthly fee can eat into your returns quickly. The biggest advantage is having direct access to human advisors, something many robo-advisors lack. This is perfect for those who want personalized financial guidance but don't want to pay traditional advisory fees. That said, it lacks direct stock trading and may not appeal to DIY investors who prefer more control. Compared to competitors like Betterment or Wealthfront, Schwab's hybrid model stands out with CFP access, but falls short in terms of transparent pricing for smaller investors. Overall, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Premium is a strong option for long-term hands-off investors with substantial assets. But if you're just starting out or investing small amounts, the cost may outweigh the benefits.